Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing quickly. Make sure the Instagram app is updated and you're logged into the account you want to change. Once done, go to your profile and tap the three-line menu at the top right. This opens settings. You're beginning the dashboard change now. Don't linger on basics. In settings, locate account or professional dashboard depending on your account type. This determines which options you'll see next. Move to the appropriate section so you can adjust layout, insights, or shortcuts immediately. You'll now manipulate the dashboard modules. Tap Professional Dashboard or Quick Settings to view cards and tools. Next, enable or disable cards like Insights, Promotions, or Content Planner by using the toggles. This controls what appears on your main dashboard. If reordering is available, press and hold the drag handle to move a module where it's most useful and remove anything redundant. Make these choices based on what you use daily, so the dashboard surfaces the right tools for faster workflow. You're finishing up. Save any changes and then refresh your profile or return to the home screen to confirm the new dashboard layout appears. If it doesn't update, clear the app cache or sign out and back in. As a last resort, reinstall the app. Make sure your account type supports the modules you want. Creator and business accounts have different options. If a specific module is missing, switch account type temporarily or contact support, but usually refreshing and cache clearing resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.